What's up, guys? I'm doing a walkthrough on a house that my clients are buying, and we found two mirrors in bathrooms that are installed kind of funny. They're installed wrong, and I just wanted to show you how they're installed, and then just something to think about if you're installing some mirrors like this. So I'll go ahead and turn around now and show you what we're dealing with. So a couple of these bathrooms have mirrors like this, and you can see that they're kind of offset from the wall like that. And we looked at them for quite a while before we realized that they actually open up. At first, first few times we were here, we didn't even realize that they opened up like that. So the mirrors open up, which is cool. You can put stuff back there, but it's super heavy. So then we started realizing like, oh, the flipper installed this horizontally when it's actually designed to be installed vertically. So if it was installed vertically, then the door would just hinge out, or the mirror would just hinge out like a door, and it wouldn't be so heavy. Right now it's super heavy, and this box is actually designed to be recessed in the wall and attached to the studs. You can see there's holes here in the sides where it would be attached to the studs, and then these slats is where shelving would go. But somebody didn't really take the time to understand the installation and was just trying to get it put up quickly. So it looks nice, but it's really it's more of a hazard that it's so heavy, it doesn't stay up on its own, and it's more prone to fall off the wall over time, especially if you get it loaded up with some more weight inside of there and just over the years of opening and closing and that sort of stuff. So if you're a flipper, if you're doing projects at your house, if you're hiring somebody to do something, take the time to make sure that they install stuff correctly. It would have taken a little extra effort to recess this in the wall, but it will hold up a lot longer if it's done correctly. So I just wanted to point this thing out as something to keep in mind. Have a great day.